Gentlemen, please welcome them to Chennai with a big round of applause.
Good afternoon. Yeah, the energy in this room is really too much, but this good afternoon was not that much. So we can have a good afternoon. Yeah, that looks like IFA energy, IFA Galaxy. Before I start, I would just like to show you about little bit about MFRT and about Ask Circle, because I am also an IFA like all of you sitting in this room, and we will be sharing few things what we IFAs are doing and what we can do. And IFA Galaxy Summits. I think first of all let us all congratulate the team, because it takes a lot of effort. I think a round applause for Mr. Babu, Mr. Bhatt, Mr. Sreen, Mr. Chandrasekhar and everybody. I think this is something commendable job which they have done. And this is what we have also been trying to do at Kolkata, at Eastern India. We have formed an association just like IFA Galaxies called Ask Circle. A stands for attitude, S for skills, and K for nothing other than knowledge. Actually, this is what we understand is the success triangle. So Ask Circle stands for attitude, skills and knowledge, and MFRT is a forum, it is a conference. Again, the concept is not new. What we have derived is from the MDRT, which you can see in mutual fund industry. And this is something which we intend to do maybe next year at Chennai and then at Bangalore and then at Hyderabad in association with IFA Galaxy, or maybe in Bangalore and Hyderabad with whatever the local associations are there or something like that. The question is, we only think of taking something, it is not going to happen and things are going to burst. So similar way, mutual fund industry, we have taken so much, it's the time that we should give. Otherwise what will happen is whatever we have got, that will also be away. So in order to get more and more from this industry, we need to give. We need to be a part of IFA Galaxy and all these conferences so that we keep on giving to this industry and so that we keep on getting. I think my time is over and I'll not take much of time after that. So let's all make magic. That's it basically.
Thank you, Mr. Jain, for the wonderful sharing of your experience and your insights on various fields. And Mr. Jain will be available over lunch, and if we have any questions, we can have a one-on-one with him. Pre-lunch. Thank you, sir. Once again, my apologies for speeding away to lunch. And I promise you we have more interesting second half session left, and I hope you have your coupons ready. The lunch will be served on that basis.